How to fix Google Chrome not updating on Windows. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can easily fix this problem. For that, come below at the search bar of your PC, then type in services. You will see services by system. You have to open it. Likewise, here you will see various services. Click on anywhere, then type in G. Scroll below, then you will see Google Chrome Elevation, Google Updater. You have to click on this Chrome, double click onto it, and you will see a page like this. Click on General and make sure this is automatic. Likewise, click on Start. Wait for this to complete and then Apply, then OK. Likewise, do the same for this Google Update internal service as well. Double click onto it, toggle it on to automatic, Start, Apply, then OK. Lastly, do the same for Google Service Updater, automatic, start, and then stop. Now in my case, my Chrome is already updated. In your case, when you click on this Google Update service, a pop-up will show up. You have to click on OK. And likewise, this is how you can update your Google Chrome. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end. If it had helped you in any ways, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.